So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw this function, how we create the function, but in today's video we'll see how we'll execute this function and how we'll call the function to get the output. It is not that hard, but I just didn't want it to make the last video a bit longer, so I did two different parts for that one. So let's call the function now here. So let's get rid of this thing now. So as we saw, this fact is returning the value that we want using this function factorial. So there are three ways you can write down. So first way is that simply storing the value in other variable. For example, here we'll say, like say answer equals to, I'll store the value here in the form of factorial, that is the name of a function, and in parentheses we'll put down the value. Let's test with 5 because we know already the answer is 120, and let's get one more that we'll do later because there is something different in that one. So let's run this program, but first we'll need to print f the statement that will be, let's just make it really simple, %t and print answer. So yes, here we are getting 120 again. Now what if, as I say, what if I want to use or call the function twice or thrice in a same program? Then you can simply just make a new variable that will be answer1 equals to factorial of, let's get a small value that is 3, and you need to do the same printf control, not control x, control c, and then control v down here, so that we can simply make it answer1. Let's print the values, and sorry, it is just this /n. So we'll run the program. So it's 120 and 6 because 3 choose are 6, we know, so there is no need to do a hard mathematics in 3. So this is what we are getting. Now the next method that I was telling you guys was simply putting down the factorial function directly into the print function. That is factorial of 5, oops, and here will be factorial of 3, I would say. Let's put this thing in the command and try to run this program, and again we are getting the same output. So this is the second method. As I said, that is not a more method, I would say, but you can print a factorial of a factorial inside a factorial. That means factorial factorial, into the bracket there will be one more factorial. So this is how it works, but we are missing one parenthesis down here. Now it should run properly, and we are getting 720 because factorial of 6 would 720. So this is how you can use the functions, or I would say call the functions. Some of you might have the question, why don't we print directly here the value? But if you'll do so, then each and every time you call the function, the value will print. But what if you just want the value to use for something else? So that time this function will be of no use. So always keep the function as simple as you can, and always call the values, or I would say sorry, the function in the main method, because this will make your work a lot easier. So till that time, do practice for this thing, and if you guys have any questions, do let us know in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.